Meet Smart Remote, the single remote that unifies everything. So you can easily control your TV, music, lights, and home. Control devices individually, group them together, or create custom scenes that allow you to transform your entire home with a single tap. Whether it's game day, date night, arts and crafts with the family, or an impromptu dance party, Smart Remote makes the home experience you want instantly accessible. And the easy-to-use touchscreen interface means that everybody can now enjoy the technology that surrounds them. Using Smart Remote's innovative point mode, just point at the device you want to control, and voila, the right display automatically appears. A magic wand to control your entire home. Setup is easy with the Smart Remote companion app. Quickly find your devices, create groups, and choose how you want them to work together. Then, make it uniquely yours. Fully customize any display screen for a personalized experience. Designed by you. Smart Remote is compatible with over 650,000 devices and has custom integrations with some of the world's most popular products and services. So get ready to say goodbye to all of this and welcome to a world that's easy to control. Because life's better when it works together. TV, music, lights, home, 7 hugs.
This is a new generation of Sculptor portable monitor. It's different from any other monitor as everything has changed. First, the screen becomes an automatic rotating screen. It is not the kind that you need to rotate your phone in order to rotate the screen. It can automatically sense the position. See in whatever position you want. Switch the display to landscape or portrait mode. With a variety of gestures and touch menus, it becomes more productive. 10 fingers touch technology, zero delay touchscreen feedback allow you to have better using experience and control. It has Type-Ec dual line and micro USB interface. The forward and reverse Type-Ec design allows you to connect to a variety of devices quickly. Even if you're doing something complicated, you can charge your mobile at the same time. The ultra-thin design makes it incredibly light to carry. You can easily put it in any bag. The display is built with HDR low blue FreeSync G-Sync technology. No matter what angle you're watching from, the monitor still shows excellent color. There is also a new folding bracket which you can fold in different ways. Hold the monitor at multiple angles in landscape or portrait orientation. A more comprehensive display angle. Sculptor portable monitor is more versatile, portable, and functional. It is a unique and outstanding monitor that gives you a more comprehensive mobile display solution.
Hi, we are Woodger.
Man!
It makes you want to move.
Oh my god!
Our products let you feel sound through haptic feedback. The responses were pretty good.
And if it didn't put a smile on your face, I would also question whether or not you're alive.
When coming to create our new generation, Woodger Edge series, we reread all of the feedback we got from over 73,000 users. One response really caught us. People spend so much time and money to get the best headphones when they can't really tell the difference. Woodger makes you experience sound on a completely different level. So, we decided to put headphones versus Woodger Edge to the test.
We're gonna put two headphones on you.
All right.
And we're gonna wonder which one do you feel is better.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go with these ones.
Can't really tell the difference.
This one is better.
These ones are better?
Yeah, definitely.
So far, the first ones.
I don't know, they're like the same.
Oh!
Oh, okay. What's going on?
I can actually feel the bass.
Wow, that's crazy.
It totally makes a difference.
All of my body's shaking.
Completely different.
Like, it really changes the way the music sounds, the way I would listen to music. Can I keep this?
So yeah, Woodger really does make your experience pretty goddamn breathtaking.
Wow, I never felt something like it.
But there was another thing people said. A lot. So we played a bit with the arrangement of the transducers, the providers of the feedback, kept the incredible sensation, and went on Kickstarter to make sure that Woodger Edge is for everybody. So how does it work? Well, sound is air movement that typically spreads as an audible wave of pressure. Headphones deliver that audible part, but you're missing out on the movement. Woodger lets you enjoy both aspects of sound. Imagine you're in a concert, standing right in front of huge speakers. That oomph you feel in your body, that's what Woodger feels like. In more technical terms, our patented oscillating frame, which we fondly call Aussie, accurately reproduces and plays frequencies up to 200 Hz, including subsonic frequencies that are below the threshold of the human ear. The frictionless motion guarantees precise harmonic reproduction and reduces distortion while remaining completely silent to the surrounding environment. In less technical terms, the dinosaur in the game is getting closer. You feel every step. You're playing a game, every explosion, every encounter, and every strike feel as if you're right there. The song goes into a killer bass riff, you'll sense every string in your bones. Put on a VR headset while wearing Woodger Edge, and immersion takes another massive leap. There are two types of devices in the Woodger Edge series. The strap is for the gamer on the go or the music lover. It has one super powerful Aussie. You can wear it in different ways and to various activities. It neatly folds into your backpack and is light enough to carry everywhere. The Vest is for gaming and VR at home, and for music pros and producers who enjoy 360 degrees of immersion. It's built with 6 Aussies and delivers a crisp stereo sound. Both products have a built-in analog headphone amplifier and can connect to any mobile phone, game console, or VR headset via an audio jack or low-latency Bluetooth. So, if you want to experience sound with a device that actually makes a difference, get Woodger Edge.